Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix Rockstar Games launcher error code 132,2500%. To start, we will access services from the search box. There, we will search and double-click on the service called Remote Procedure Call RPC. Here you will validate that it is running. After this, open the service called Remote Desktop Service. Click on Start to start this service. Then click on Stop, and after this again, you will click on Start. Close the window. After that, in the search box, enter Google. Right-click on Chrome and choose Open File Location. Here, right-click on the shortcut to select Show More Options and then click on Properties. You will go to the Compatibility tab. Check the box, run this program in compatibility mode for, and you can select one of the systems. Apply the changes. Now we open Settings from Start. We will go to the section Windows Update. We click on Advanced Options. Then we click on Optional Updates, and here we will check if there is any update available for the display. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.